Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting for all you puzzle enthusiasts out there. We're taking a closer look at the QY Toys Warrior W Speedcube 3x3, the best speed cube on the market. But before we dive into our review, let's quickly go over the features that make this cube stand out from the rest. This QY Toys Warrior W Speedcube is a stickerless 3x3x3 puzzle that's designed for speedcubing enthusiasts. It comes in a compact 56mm size, making it perfect for competitions and practice alike. And here's why it's the best. Firstly, it's built to last with its environmentally friendly ABS material, which means no stickers to peel off, waterproof, and resistant to fading. Plus, the matte surface treatment prevents scratches. The small card corner design enhances its anti-pop ability, keeping it stable during solves, and it's passed US safety certification. Secondly, the QY Toys Warrior W features a cross-shaft design for smooth and adjustable turns. The anti-adhesive groove ensures it remains smooth and durable even after extensive use. It offers a 40% fault tolerance, making it suitable for both children and beginners, allowing for frustration-free solving. But what sets this cube apart is its educational value. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for cognitive development. It encourages kids to step away from electronic screens and improve concentration, responsiveness, memory, and logical thinking skills. Plus, it fosters patience and boosts self-confidence. The 56mm size is standard for WCA major competitions, and at just 80 grams, it's lightweight and won't tire your hands, even during extended practice sessions. The upgraded colors enhance recognition, making for faster solutions. Lastly, it's endorsed by the famous Speedcube brand, Chi-Yi, and used by world record holders. It's a classic educational toy suitable for children, adults, and seniors, ensuring fun and excitement for the entire family. Now, here's the exciting part. You can grab the QY Toys Warrior W Speedcube 3x3 for just $4.99 on Amazon, down from the list price of $11.99. It's an unbeatable 58% discount. But, as always, we wanted to put it to the test ourselves. So, we got our hands on this cube, and here's what we found. First off, the cube's smooth and precise turning is truly remarkable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cuber, you'll appreciate the fluidity of each turn, thanks to its anti-sticky surface. We also dropped it a few times during testing, and it held up remarkably well. The cube's build quality is solid, and the stickers remained intact, showing that it's designed to withstand the rigors of cubing. And let's not forget about its educational benefits. We saw a noticeable improvement in concentration and problem-solving skills, even in a short period of time. It's a fantastic way to keep kids engaged while enhancing their cognitive abilities. So, there you have it, folks. The QY Toys Warrior W Speedcube 3x3 is indeed the best speed cube in the market. It offers durability, performance, and educational value at an unbeatable price. If you're ready to take your cubing skills to the next level or looking for a perfect gift, don't miss out on this incredible deal. Click the link in the description below to get yours on Amazon today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cubing!